Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can change your password on Vimeo. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to open the Vimeo website, and you have to log in your account. And after that, simply you have to go to the profile section. As you can see, as the profile icon. So we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, now simply you have to scroll down, and here you will get the setting option. So we have to click on the setting option, and after clicking on the setting option, as you can see here, you will be able to get some of the different type of options. Now we have to click on the password. As you can see, as the password option, so we have to click on the password, and after clicking on the password, now simply what we need to do, we have to provide the new password, and again we have to confirm the password. And after that, as you can see here, we have to provide the old one, and after that simply we have to provide these all passwords, and after that we have to hit the save, and after clicking on the save, your password will be changed. So in this way you can change your password on Vimeo. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. It's very easy to understand. So see you guys in the next video.